The outbreak of malaria is causing havoc within the Kerio Valley triangle, with hundreds of locals being hospitalized. According to the health workers, the number could be higher because they are yet to reach remote areas. Most of the victims were rushed to the nearby health center with malaria-like symptoms. At least 300 cases have been reported along the Kerio Valley belt in the past 1 week.
The four facilities, well, they have recorded over 300 positive cases.
Aurora Mission Health Center, under the watch of Catholic Diocese of Eldoret, is among facilities currently receiving an influx.
We're having an outbreak. The last one was in 2019, from November, December, and January. So we are seeing as if it is really not going to the right direction.
Our challenge here, the most challenge for this particular area is that we have a lot of running water along. We have a lot of water and a lot of water streams, and again we have a lot of mango trees. You know, mango trees, the ribbon mangoes are the most breeding site for these mosquitoes.
Beatrice Kibucha's 2 children, aged 8 and 4, have been battling malaria for the last 1 week.
Ailisi yake ni joto chingi kwa watoto hata watu wazima.
Na ukiangalia hali yao ni kama kuna outbreak ya malaria.
Malaria is one of the world's biggest killer. In Kenya, there are an estimated 3.5 million new clinical cases and 10,700 deaths each year. Elvis Kosgei, KTN News, Aror area, Elgeyo Marakwet County.